Hello again and welcome. Today we're going to spice things up a little bit. We're going to be making a Bombay potato soup. So it's based on obviously the Bombay potato curry. It's an Indian sort of recipe. So we've got some chopped tomatoes here. We've got some turmeric, some curry powder. We've got 3 sort of quite medium to large sized potatoes, 1 onion. We've got 2 vegetable stock cubes and a little bit of tomato puree. So let's all get this chopped up and into the Ninja soup maker, which is what we're going to be using today. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is chop up the onion. We're going to be putting the soup maker on a chunky soup setting, so it will do a few small blends during the 30-minute cycle. So we're not going to go too fine with the onions. I'm going to chuck all of that into the soup maker. There we go. Right, that's all in there. Now we're going to grab the potatoes. These are going to be diced because obviously we want them to cook properly during that 30-minute cycle. But then we don't want them too fine, so they end up mush. Okay, so that's all of the potato chopped up. And so I'm going to put the chopping board to the side and out the way while we fill up the soup maker with the other ingredients. Okay, so the next ingredient to go in will be the curry powder. And I need 2 tablespoons, I think, of curry powder. It's a medium curry powder. That's the curry powder out the way. And we need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. In it goes. Probably a little bit more, but that'll be fine. Tin of chopped tomatoes. There we go. That's that. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. That's that. I'm going to put in the 2 vegetable stock cubes. And last, a little bit of tomato puree. I haven't got a lot left in this one actually, so that'll do. Okay. Now all I need to do is fill up the soup maker to the max fill line for the hot. Put the lid on. Turn on the soup maker. And we're going to hit chunky soup. So 30-minute cycle. Let's see what happens at the end. Okay, so it's done the first blend. What I'm going to do now is take the top lid off and put in the little stirrer that comes with the machine and just give it a bit of a stir. Make sure all of those spices and ingredients are all mixed together. And then I'll just close up the lid and let it carry on. So again, it's done another blend and I will do another stir. The smell is amazing actually. Can't wait to try this. back on the lid. And there we go. The soup is done. Still looks quite chunky in there. So what I'm going to do in a moment is actually do a manual blend, just a small pulse, just to mix things up a bit. Now this will stay warm for another hour if I just left it in its current state. So if I was out shopping or walking the dog, it's very convenient that way. So now I'm just going to go to pulse. And that will just mix it all up a bit, and I'll give it another stir. I don't really want a smooth soup because I quite like the consistency of the potatoes. Give this another stir. Some quite big potatoes in there still. Maybe I should have cut them up at the beginning a bit smaller, but the smell is absolutely gorgeous. And there we go. I think that's probably about it. So, time to have a look, see how it's turned out. We'll lift the lid. A lot of moisture there. And put the lid to the side for the moment. And I've got a soup bowl ready there, which I shall now pour into. Wow, it smells amazing. Absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see future videos, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Thank you guys. See you for now.